there, welcome. Just thought you might like to have a quick tour around my very messy studio, and so that it gives you an idea on, my studio really, and where I work every day. And I like to have some of my favourite things around me as I'm working, and this is one of them, a little old puppet theatre. Red Riding Hood's coming on at 2 o'clock. Better be ready for that. I keep a guitar in here as well, so I can play a quick tune in between paintings. I do different types of art. I do raku pottery. I do pit-pied pottery. This is actually done in a fire. This is quite nice, good fun, beautiful effects. Look at that, beautiful effects. I do landscape paintings. That's an example. I seem to specialise in stormy skies. I do seascapes, always dramatic skies, nearly always anyway, unless I'm doing a semi-abstract seascape. But these are my typical types of seascape. And abstracts, I think I mentioned that before. Maybe we'll do some abstracts together in future. This is something that I think you find is very interesting and easy peasy to do. So make some little gift cards, gift tags, and you can either make a full-on card, a gift card, or you can make bookmarks. These are quite nice to give to people. You could, with these, either the bookmarks or the little gift tags, you could put, I don't know, about 8 of those in a nice cellophane package, and you could give them as gifts to your friends, or part of a gift. You could put some nice gold thread through it, like this one. Some gold thread. This is quite a big one. Or silver thread or coloured thread, and as I say, you could give them as a gift. I like to do that. These are little tiny ones that would go well on a bouquet of flowers or a little present. Any of these you can use them for presents. You could give them as presents. And you can use some flowers and plants too. That's gold inside, which is gorgeous. So, why don't we show you a couple more. This is a nice one, nice card. I make the backs, I don't think you can see that, but I make the backs very sparkly and is the inside as well. I like to put sparkles. Some of them have got sparkles on the outside. And I think this one's nice. I think you'll enjoy just doing them. Pick your favourite colours. I quite like these earthy tones. Gold and brown and cream. I like the earth colours. You can put some text on it as well. Here's a selection here. So let's get started. So this is the first part of this video, showing you my studio and a little introduction, and the second part will be showing you my process and how I go about making these lovely cards and gift cards. So I hope you join me for the second part of this video, and I'll say bye for now. If you like what you see in this video, I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel. And I'll say goodbye for now. Love from Cornwall.